Hey guys, Freedom here. We have a 2015 Jeep Cherokee four-wheel drive, and we're going to be replacing the lower left and lower right control arms along with the lower ball joints left and right. Okay, so let me open this up and I'll tell you what you need to get this job done. Cool. All right. Alrighty, so the first thing you got to do is remove your wheel. Since I am removing also the ball joints, the lower ball joints, I need to remove the knuckle from here. But if you're not, and you're only replacing the lower control arms, okay, you do not have to remove the knuckle. All right, you only have to remove this part of the subframe that's over here. But I'll get to that on the next step. If you are going to replace the ball joints on the front, on the front, the center CV axle nut is a 36. The caliper is a 14. The caliper bracket is a EP20. Looks like this. Then the tie rod is a 18. The nut with the bolt back here holding on the knuckle to the strut, that's a 15. And I'm sorry, an 18. And the stability bar link, it's a 15. Okay, and at the bottom right here you're going to have the number 18 nut holding the ball joint at the bottom. So once we have all those things removed, we remove the nut, and then we're gonna have some space to work with for the lower control arm. Okay. Alrighty, so we got our knuckle removed, and simply here we're gonna replace the lower ball joint. Just use your ball joint kit removal. It's not rocket science. Use just your kit and put a new one in if you're doing that. The bolt that was going across here was an 18 millimeter, and the head of the bolt is a EP. It was an EP 16. Okay. Now you can remove the CV axle if you wanted to. You don't have to, so just leave it there. The bolt that goes across here is a EP 18. Then you got a bolt going across here is a EP 20, I believe. Okay. In order for you to get to this, you need to remove this bar that goes across. Okay. Remove this bolt that's holding onto it. So we need to remove this bar that goes across. They are down here. We have this bracket. It's 4 18 millimeter. You got 4 18 bolts here. Remove those, and then this bar goes over here, and you're gonna have 3 15 millimeters. You're gonna have 3 15 mil bolts, 1 2 and 3 inside. Okay. Just lower this plastic, put your hand in there, and remove those bolts. Okay. The whole point is to remove this in order for the lower control arm to be released. In order for you to remove this bolt that's holding on to the lower control arm. I know it's totally unnecessary engineering, but that's what it is. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so there it is. Again, the bolt that's holding on to this corner over here, you got an 18 mil nut up top and a EP 18 at the bottom. Then on this side right here, now on this side you have an EP 20. Then you got this bracket at the bottom. They're all 18s. And then on this other corner, connected to the front part of the bumper, you know, the metal bumper that's behind the plastic bumper, you got 3 15 mil bolts. Okay. Passenger side is going to be the same thing. So now we're going to put a new one back in, slide it in there, and put everything back together and change the ball joint. So that's how it's done, guys. So there it is, guys. That's the old one, and it only has a like a snap ring up top. Take it out. I only use a screwdriver and a pick to take it out. Then you put your ball joint tools, or smack it down with a hammer, however you choose. So now let's put our new one back in there, and then also our new lower control arm, and yeah, put everything back together. This is the driver's side, and then I'm going to do the passenger side. So if you got any questions, comment below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.